Click on the link below to get price. The ceiling dehumidifier, designed for commercial use, particularly in settings like basements, warehouses, workshops, and greenhouses, is an impressive device that effectively tackles moisture control in large spaces. With its robust construction and high-capacity performance, it stands out as a vital tool for ensuring a dry and healthy environment. One of the most significant advantages of this dehumidifier is its ability to handle extensive areas without compromising efficiency. Rated for high moisture removal, it can operate seamlessly in environments where humidity levels can lead to mold growth, structural damage, or hinder productivity. This makes it an excellent choice for commercial applications, where maintaining optimal air quality is crucial for both equipment and personnel. Installation is straightforward, as the ceiling-mounted design allows it to save valuable floor space, which is often at a premium in commercial facilities. The unit is equipped with intuitive controls, making it user-friendly even for those who may not be tech-savvy. Additionally, its energy-efficient operation translates to lower utility bills, a significant consideration for businesses looking to optimize operational costs. The versatility of this dehumidifier extends to its use in greenhouses and plant-growing operations. Maintaining the right humidity levels in these settings is vital for promoting healthy plant growth and preventing diseases. The dehumidifier excels in providing consistently dry air, which is particularly important in preventing mold and mildew on plants. Durability is another highlight of this product. The materials used in its construction are built to withstand the rigors of commercial use, ensuring longevity and reducing the need for frequent replacements. The noise level is minimal, allowing it to operate in sensitive environments without causing disruption. In conclusion, the ceiling dehumidifier for commercial applications is a powerhouse of moisture management. Its efficiency, ease of installation, and durability make it a smart investment for any business needing to maintain a dry and healthy atmosphere. Whether in a bustling warehouse or a delicate greenhouse, this unit delivers outstanding performance and reliability.